Hi, in front of me is REALME C15 and today I want to show you how you can install AdBlock on your device. Open Play Store, type Opera Mini and download this app. When you're done, open it. Click Continue and allow and continue. AdBlock is now on. You can check it out by going into any website, like for example this one. As you can see, you blocked your first ads. If you want to disable AdBlock, click on the bottom right corner, choose Ad Blocking and click on it. Now it's off. You can turn it on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!